Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of New Moms Hub. So today's video is on a very interesting topic and it is a continuation of the massage video that I have uploaded a few days ago. So before going on to the video, let's speak about some interesting trivia that I have just recently found while reading online. So how many of you are aware of the term confinement nanny? Now, it is a very ancient Chinese practice, and many of the working moms these days are using this practice because it has worked wonders for them. Now, what does a confinement nanny do? So, when a mother returns from hospital, a confinement nanny makes sure that she has fresh, nutritious, hot home cooked meal every time. She prepares a diet plan for the mommy. She prepares ginger infused hot water so that mommy can take bath in it and can totally regenerate her body. It helps in uh, it helps a great deal in recovery of a postpartum body. She makes sure the mom is in a happy state of mind, gives her some company, solves all the questions and the doubts that all we new moms have after we become mothers. And she not only takes care of the mother, but she also does many things for the baby. She looks after the baby's feeding timetable in case if the baby is formula fed. She feeds baby in the night so that parents enjoy an uninterrupted sleep. She changes their nappies from time to time. She gives them baths. She massages them. In short, confinement nanny is a must have for every new mom. This is what I feel. And I got to know about this interesting concept while reading online. There is this website, Working Mother. So in this, a Chinese mom, Kathy Fang, has shared her experience of how hiring a confinement nanny has worked wonders for her. So she is a restaurant owner in San Francisco, and once she returned back from her 3 months of postpartum leave, paternity leave, she everyone complimented her like how regenerated you look, and there is no new mom tiredness on your face at all. So I think that says it all. Confinement nanny is such a brilliant thing, and I was so excited and happy on reading it that I thought that this is something worth sharing with all you parents out there. So I really hope that this concept comes soon in India because it is going to be a super duper hit thing. Like just imagine you don't need to worry about anything. Your sleep will be uninterrupted. There is someone to feed baby from time to time. All you need to do is just play with your baby, relax, enjoy the hot cooked meal, and just enjoy a long hot shower in the bathroom. What else do we new moms need? Like, I remember, and I'm sure definitely most of you will relate to me, during my initial months of postpartum, I remember how finding some time to comb my hair or even taking some shower was so much challenging. And for days and days, I used to not comb my hair. I just used to tie that messy bun, which is familiar to all of us. So yeah, the initial few months are quite struggle, but I just really hope that I find this confinement nanny somewhere, and all new moms uh, get a confinement nanny so that all our problems are sorted and we are able to enjoy this initial phase with our little ones. So that is an interesting fact which I wanted to share with you. So let's come to the main topic of the video today. Just few days back, I have shared a infant massage tutorial on my channel. So this is a continuation of that. After massage, I also make Jill do some exercises. So with these exercises, Jill gets a break from her routine, and I think she enjoys this session because there is a cute, bright smile on her face, which really makes my day. And because there are frequent hands and leg movements, and now since she has started walking, so she is active for most of the time. So in the process, definitely her body gets tired. So with a proper exercise, her body gets the much needed relaxation, due to which she enjoys a good nap. So now Jill is 1.5 years old, and she naps for 3 times in a day. and the duration of each nap varies from time to time. Sometimes she takes a nap of 2 hours, sometimes she takes a nap of 1 hour. But whatever it is, I'm able to accommodate all of these things in the timetable in such a way that I'm able to take care of her. I'm able to wash utensils, wash clothes, cook some delicious meals, and make sure that the house looks in a proper and presentable order. So how do I do it? This is I will be sharing the tips and the tricks with you all in the upcoming videos. For that, you'll have to stay tuned to New Moms Hub and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, the entire exercise session of your baby is very well defined in simple and easy to do steps. So parents may make sure that you try it once. Try exercising your baby in this way, and in case if you have any questions, you can just reach out to me in the comment section below. Now, a good news, New Moms Hub is available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube as well. So in case you haven't till now connected with us, do make sure that you reach out to our social media handles, and also like my Facebook page. The link of all these things I'm sharing in the description box below. So on my Facebook page, I share some funny memes related to parenting and some realizations um, um, which a woman feels once she becomes a mother. So I share my own personal life experiences with all the members of the New Moms Hub family. So make sure that you are connected to our Facebook page as well, and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and continue to be a part of New Moms. And yes, the most important thing during this lockdown, stay home, stay safe, and let's go to the video. Five, six, seven, eight, nine.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love